Hello my fellow linguists, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Shreya and you are watching Language Fluent. We at Language Fluent teach various foreign languages for job immigration purposes. We also provide a job-oriented course for the duration of 2 years. For more information regarding that course, please give a call on the numbers mentioned below or download the application link mentioned in the description box. So today we are going to learn about how to read and write dates in German. So dates in German. So to begin with, let's look at the ordinal numbers. Now ordinal numbers means the numbers that we use to tell someone the date. For example, first, second, we don't say 1 December or 2 December or 3 December. We don't say date in that way. In English, we say 1st December, 2nd December, 3rd December, 4th December. So how are these numbers called in German? Let's look at that. Okay, now let's start. So first, erste, erste. Second, zweite, zweite. Third, dritte, dritte. Fourth, vierte, vierte. Fifth, fünfte, fünfte. So only first, second, first and third have little different words. That's erste and dritte. Second, fourth, fifth onwards, we have to just add. The pattern here is to add T and E. So vierte, fünfte, sechste, siebte, achte, neunte, zehnte. So the pattern is the same. We have to add T and E. Only first and third are different. So erste and dritte. Let's repeat. Erste, zweite, dritte, vierte, fünfte, sechste, siebte, achte, neunte, zehnte. Now 11 onwards. 11th, 11th, 12th, 12th, 13th, 13th. Same 13, only we have to add TE. So 13th. 14th, 14th. 15th, 15th. 16th, 16th. 17th, 17th. 18th, 18th. 19th, 19th. And 20th, 20th. So in 20th, we add STE. 20 is the original number 20. So 20th will be 20 STE. So let's repeat it. Again here the pattern is same. TE, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Now 21 onwards. So same. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So 29, 30. So 30th. 30. Again 30, the normal spelling of 30, and then STE. And then 31st, which is usually the last date. 31. 31. Again ST is the next, so ST. So these were the ordinal numbers. Now let's look at how to write the date in numbers, and let's look at few sentences. Now let's look at how to write these dates in numerals. So first let's take 22. December. So either we can write it 22. So 22 December, that's 12, or 22, this dot is important, December. So either write December in numerals as well, that is 12, or December. Then 31 May. So that will be 31st May or 31st 5, that is May. So Jan, Feb, March, April, May. May is the 5th month. 5. Monat. Therefore, 31. Mai. Now 1. November. 1. So this usually dot is the T. So 1. November or 1. November. 3. October. So 3. October or 3. October. So this is how you write this. This is very important. The dot is very important. So 22. Dezember. 31. Mai. 1. November. 3. October. Now let's look at some sentences. Okay, let's look at the sentences. So the first one, today is 5th December. So heute ist 5. Dezember. 5. Dezember. Then tomorrow is 6th December. So morgen ist 6. Dezember. Morgen ist 6. December. Then yesterday was 4th December. So gestern war 4. Dezember. 4. December. Then day after tomorrow is 7th December. So übermorgen, that's day after tomorrow, is 7. Dezember. So 5. Dezember, 6. Dezember, 4. Dezember, 7. Dezember. Also heute, that's today, morgen, that is tomorrow, yesterday, that is gestern, that's yesterday, and day after tomorrow, that's übermorgen. Now let's look at the preposition that we use before saying the date. Okay, so the preposition that we use before saying the date is am. So if I want to say on 1st December, so I will say am so the preposition that I use is am. So am 27. Oktober. So so that was it for today. I hope you all enjoyed today's class. It was a nice easy topic about the date, how to say the date and how to write the date in German. For more such videos, please click on the bell icon on a YouTube app to never miss out on any update by Language Fluent. Also, we at Language Fluent provide translation and interpretation services. For more information regarding that, give a call on the numbers mentioned below or download the application link provided in the description box. Thank you. See you next time. Cheers.